The latest DJI Mic 2 firmware update fixes old audio issues, boosts low volume performance, and makes your recordings fuller and brighter. And here's a simple step-by-step guide on how to update the DJI Mic 2 firmware on both the transmitter and the receivers. First of all, you should check the current firmware version of your Mic 2. Just open the case, take out the receiver, swipe down from the top, now use the touchscreen or the thumb wheel to go to the right and open settings. You can also press on the thumb wheel to select. Now you'll need to go right to version, then you'll see the firmware version of your receiver. Now if you go to the right, you'll also see the transmitter's firmware version. It is blank because we haven't taken out the transmitters. So take them out of the case and make sure they're connected to the receiver. After that, come back here and it will also show your transmitter versions. And our current firmware version is 4.04. We're gonna check the latest firmware version. Now let's go to the DJI Mic 2's firmware page, and you can use a browser on your computer or even your smartphone to do it. Just search DJI Mic 2 firmware and you'll need to click on DJI Mic 2 downloads. If we scroll a bit down to firmware, you can see here the latest version is 4.05. You can also see there is a separate firmware file for the receiver and the transmitters. So let's download both of these. After we have downloaded them, you need to connect the receiver or the transmitter by plugging in the included Type-C cable or any other high-speed data transfer cable into the Type-C ports of your receiver or transmitter. And the other end will go into your computer or mobile. But before plugging the receiver to the PC, you need to confirm two very important steps. The first one is that there's no mobile adapter connected to the receiver. So detach it, and the second thing you need to do is turn off your receiver by holding down the power button. Now you're ready to plug them into your computer. When they're plugged in, a directory called no name will pop up. If you're on Windows, just open the Explorer. Now all we need to do is drag and drop the firmware file that we just downloaded. For the receiver, copy the file with the name RX or just drag and drop it into the root directory of your receiver. Then wait until the copying is finished, and even though it's just a small 2 megabytes file, sometimes it may take a few minutes to complete. So be patient and don't cross it out. When the copying is complete, safely eject the receiver, and as soon as you do that, you'll see the upgrading screen. It will last for a few minutes, so hold on tight. When it's done, it will say update successful. Now you can just exit out of the screen. And if we go back to the firmware version page, you can see it's now 4.05. Congrats. But we still have two other transmitters to go, and you may have guessed already that you need to update them separately. So grab one of the transmitters, and it doesn't matter if they're on or off, plug them into your PC, a no-name drive will pop up, you may see some recording files, but you don't need to worry about them as they won't be formatted. Anyway, this time, you'll need to grab the firmware file with the TX name and drop it outside any of the folders. It will be copied instantly, so unplug your transmitter and it will show a red and green blinking LED. And the green light pops up once again, you'll know the firmware update was complete. Now you'll just need to do the exact same thing for the other transmitter. When you're done, you can check the transmitter version, and now both of them says 4.0.5. There you have it. That's how you can download the latest firmware for your DJI Mic 2 and make your recordings even better. If this helped, make sure to show your love and stay tuned for more.